This is the Central Luzonians.
Live at the school at Baler City, Bulacan. And we're here to interview one of our RSPC delegates for the up-and-coming RSPC 2026 to be held at Aurora, Baler. Now we have here Mary Precious Mayel El Capiral as one of our RSPC delegates. So Mayel, how does it feel being part of RSPC once again?
I feel successful for being part of the RSPC once again, and I am grateful because I really prayed for this, and it seems like all the weariness from training has been replaced by it.
Now, another question. Do you feel pressured having placed in the last year's RSPC? Yes, because you previously hold the title in the top 10, right? So do you feel any pressure?
To be honest, yes, I'm feeling pressured by everyone. Since I ranked 9th in the RSPC last year, it feels like a much stressful. My goal is to get to the MCs carrying the name of our school and of course to the glory of the
Well, okay, so one last question for our interviewee, Mayel. So, do you have any advice for any upcoming cartoonists? Any tips you want to give out to the audience?
My advice for upcoming and other cartoonists is to not get discouraged and never give up on your goal. Always go back to where you started and focus on what you can achieve. Practice is not about being perfect, but it is about being better than you were.
Thank you so much, Mayel, for all those inspiring words. So this is now the end of our interview for one of our RSPC delegates. This is the
Central Luzonians.
signing off.